Welcome back. In today's video, I'll walk you through the complete setup of your new Epson EcoTank ET-2903 printer. I'll guide you through each step so you can get your printer up and running quickly and easily. So let's get started. To begin, carefully remove the printer from the box and place it on a flat surface. Next, remove all the protective tape, plastic film, foam pieces, and packing materials from the outside of the printer. After that, lift the scanner unit and check inside the printer for any remaining protective materials. Take a moment to make sure everything has been removed before continuing, since even a small piece of packing material can interfere with the setup process. Once this is done, lower the scanner unit completely. Now, connect the supplied power cord to the back of the printer and plug the other end into a wall outlet. Then, press the power button to turn the printer on. When the printer starts for the first time, you'll be prompted to choose a language. Simply use the arrow buttons to select your preferred language and press the OK button to confirm your selection. Now, it's time to fill the EcoTank ink tanks. First, lift the scanner unit again and open the ink tank cover. Before opening an ink bottle, make sure the color of the bottle matches the color label on the corresponding ink tank. For the best print quality and reliability, always use the genuine Epson ink bottles that came with your printer. Next, hold the ink bottle upright while removing the cap. Then, insert the bottle straight into the correct filling port. There's no need to squeeze the bottle because the ink will automatically begin flowing into the tank. Keep the bottle in place until the ink reaches the upper fill line. Once the tank is full, the ink will automatically stop flowing. At that point, simply remove the bottle. If there's any ink left in the bottle, tighten the cap securely and store it upright for future use. Then, close the ink tank cover securely and repeat the same process for the remaining colors until all 4 ink tanks have been filled. Once this is done, close the ink tank cover and carefully lower the scanner unit until it is completely closed. The printer will now ask you to confirm that all of the ink tanks have been filled. After confirming, follow the on-screen instructions to begin the initial ink charging process. Keep in mind that this is an important part of the setup because the printer is preparing the ink system for its very first use. During this process, do not turn off the printer, unplug the power cord, or open any covers. Simply wait until the process is complete. Once the ink charging process has finished, the printer will automatically display the print quality adjustment screen. Next, pull out the rear paper support and slide the paper guides outward. Then, load a stack of letter size or A4 plain paper into the center of the paper support, with the printable side facing up. After that, adjust the paper guides so they lightly touch both sides of the paper without bending it. If the printer asks you to extend or install the output tray, simply follow the instructions shown on the display. Now, continue following the on-screen instructions to complete the print quality adjustment. This helps ensure your printer delivers the best possible print quality right from the start. With the initial setup complete, it's now time to connect your printer to Wi-Fi using your mobile device. Start by downloading the Epson Smart Panel app from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Before moving on, make sure your smartphone or tablet is connected to the same Wi-Fi network that you want your printer to use. Next, press and hold the Wi-Fi button on the printer until the wireless light begins flashing. Then, open the Epson Smart Panel app and tap Set up a new printer. The app will automatically detect your Epson ET-2903 and guide you through the remaining setup process. Simply follow the instructions shown on your mobile device until the printer connects to your wireless network. Once this is done, you'll be able to print, scan, and manage your printer directly from the Epson Smart Panel app. Now, if you'd also like to use the printer with a Windows PC or Mac, open your web browser and visit the Epson support website. Search for the Epson EcoTank ET-2903, download the latest printer software, and run the installer. Then, follow the on-screen instructions and choose wireless connection when prompted. The installer will search for your printer and complete the setup automatically. If you're asked to temporarily connect a USB cable during the installation, do so only when instructed. Once the wireless setup is complete, disconnect the cable if prompted. After that, the installation will finish and your computer will be ready to print wirelessly through your Epson ET-2903. Finally, print a test page to make sure everything is working correctly. If the page prints clearly, congratulations, is now fully set up and ready for everyday printing, copying, and scanning. If you found this guide helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest printer setup and troubleshooting tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.